You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Arabic origin, a boy's name, a male given name, and surname, meaning good-natured, derived from the root word tayyab, meaning good or pure or clean. The pronunciation in Arabic, tayyab, tayyab. In English, similarly, you can pronounce it as how to pronounce tayyab. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.